Hello guys, if you are wondering whether Xbox One and Xbox Series X or Series S players can play together in EA Sports FC 27, unfortunately the answer is no. FC 27 does support crossplay, but it's limited to platforms within the same console generation. Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S are part of the current generation and they can play with PlayStation 5 and PC players. Meanwhile, Xbox One belongs to the older console generation and it can only play with PlayStation 4 players. So if you are playing EA Sports FC 27 on an Xbox Series X or Series S, you won't be able to play with someone who owns the Xbox One version of the game, even if you are both using Xbox consoles. Cross-generation play between Xbox One and Xbox Series X or Series S is simply not supported in FC 27. If you want to play together with your friends, you need to make sure that everyone is playing on the same console generation, and that's everything you need to know. Hope this clears things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.